We're going to solve problem about differential leveling. So find the difference in elevation in the following data given below and show the arithmetic check. Okay, so first we need to solve the height of instrument, no? So height of instrument, HI is equal to elevation plus backside. Okay, so 34.18 plus 1.27 is equal to 35.45. Okay, so this one here, you have to add, and then it will be equals like that, no? Okay, next, to find the elevation, so elevation is equal to the height of instrument minus the foresight. So if you want to solve here, so this one you have to subtract, and 35.45 minus 1.54 is equal to 33.91. And then you have to follow the same method until it will reach to benchmark 2. So 33.91 plus 1.87, so you have 35.78. Again, same ang process. So from this, you have to add the 1.81. Then you have to subtract this one. You have to minus 1.26. So we have 34.52. Next, 34.52 plus 0.18. So we have 34.70. Next, again, subtract the fourth side. So we have minus 1.19, 33.51. Next, 33.51 plus 1.25. So it's equal to 34.76. Next, 34.76 minus 1.98, 32.78. Next, you have to add the 0.66 is equal to 33.44, and then subtract the 1.55. So we have 31.89, and then add the 0.28. So we have 32.17, and then you have to subtract the 1.28, 30.89, and then again you have to add the 1.39. So you have 32.28, and then subtract the 1.68, 30.6, and then add the 1.77. So we have 32.37, then subtract the 1.87. So we have 30.5. Okay, so we have now the elevation of benchmark 1, which is the given, and we have the, so this is the elevation of benchmark 1, and we have here the elevation at benchmark 2. So to get the difference of elevation, so our problem is to give the difference. So difference in elevation between benchmark 2 minus benchmark 1. So we have here 30.5 minus 34.18. So if you notice the difference in elevation, so DE, difference in elevation is equal to negative 3.68. So meaning benchmark 1 is at this elevation. So meaning bababa siya, no? So the benchmark 2 is going to the downward direction. So it is 3.68 meters difference. So may difference na 3.68. Okay, so next, how to know if our answer is correct? So all we need to do is sum up all the backside. So summation of backside, we add 1.87, 1.87, 0.18, 125, 0.66, 0.28, 1.39, and 1.77. So we have here 8.67, and also the summation of foresight, we add 1.64 plus 1.26 plus 1.19 plus 1.98 plus 1.55 plus 1.28 plus 1.68 and 1.87. So the total is 12.35. So it should be so like that. Summation of, so this one, so back side minus foresight, so is equal to negative 3.68. So meters, it is in meters. So if you notice, so we have the same. So the difference in elevation 3.68, and also using the summation of back side minus summation of foresight, they are the same, meaning if they are the same, so our answer is correct. So this is the arithmetic checking, and this is our final answer. So therefore, so this is our answer. So the final answer, it is in meters. So the difference in elevation is equal to 3.68. Actually, it's absolute value. So the negative is referring to the direction. So pwede hindi na ilagay ang negative. Kaya difference lang man in elevation. So, or 3.68 downward. 3.68 downward. Okay, so that's how you solve the differential leveling in surveying.